I made a mistake in my last video, and the mistake is this box. It's a container that contains the board and power supply, etc. for powering this subwoofer. So I really missed to reduce this space from that total volume, and the video was about how we can calculate the accurate box volume using ChatGPT. Without reducing this box volume, we got a value of 29.2 hertz as the resonance frequency, as the frequency of the port tuned for this subwoofer. It's an 8-inch JBL active subwoofer. In this video, I'm going to correct that mistake, and let us see what will be the tuning frequency that we get after reducing this. As per my understanding, it will go almost closer to the exact value of frequency rating posted on JBL website. You can check the specification of this model. The model is JBL sub 140/230, I think, and you can check that spec. In the spec, the value is, the frequency response is 35 hertz. So let me again ask ChatGPT to calculate the volume, reducing this space. So for that also we need a prompt. Now here is the screen recording, and I opened that same chat from ChatGPT, and I typed here, there's a container inside the box for the board and power supply that I have not mentioned, and you gave me the result above, that is 29.2 hertz. So if I give you that measurement too, can you calculate the exact value again? ChatGPT responded, yes, I can recalculate the tuning frequency after adjusting the volume taken up by the container inside the box. Please provide the width, height, depth of the container so I can subtract its volume from the internal box volume and get a more accurate result. That's what those people mentioned in the comment, that you need to reduce that from the existing volume and you will get an accurate value. And the width is 18.5 centimeter, and next, and because I used centimeters for calculating the volume, and I am using the same chat, so I am giving the measurement in centimeters. So the width is 18.5 centimeters and the height is 24 centimeter. Type here height 24 centimeter, and the depth is 10.5 centimeter. Okay, now let us see what will be the value, what will be the hertz. And the response is, thanks, I will subtract the container volume from the internal box volume and recalculate the exact tuning frequency. Okay. Oh, there is an error code. The code execution state was reset, and which cleared the previous values. I need to provide the box and port dimensions so I can recalculate everything. Okay, so sure, go ahead. It's working. And there it is. After adjusting the internal container and new tuning frequency, the frequency of the subwoofer box is approximately 32 hertz. This is slightly higher than the previous 29.2 hertz due to the reduced internal volume. No need of further adjustment. It is around 32 hertz, and the frequency value posted in the website itself is mentioned as around 35 hertz. So it is close and it is accurate. I know it is accurate, no doubt. You can directly calculate any box value, any type of speaker calculation using ChatGPT. It's confirmed. As I told you in the previous video, you can also calculate it in the reverse manner. Means here we are calculating the box volume, and if you want to calculate it using the woofer parameter, you can do it exactly perfectly. No doubt, I have done it before. That's why I am that much sure, because it is not, it is a machine. It's a machine that is calculating. It's a machine that knows almost everything in the world now. right? Even we are still learning from the ChatGPT also. That's the truth. Just use it, just explore, just try to learn, just try to understand, be a part of the updated technology. That's the right term I think we should use. And this video was a correction of the previous video, and if you really need such a video like calculating the three-way box volume, three-way speaker system, tower speaker system, or any type of other doubt that you cannot solve, you are not able to solve by yourself, you will try with latest technology. And if you have not watched that video, here I will post the link. Just watch it and make it confirm.